This is a quick review to show you the new hairspray that we've received for testing, which is Hair Spray. And I have to say, it's really good. My little boy's been using it for the past week and it's great. Now he has fine hair, so what I do, I apply... What, do you like the smell? He likes the smell. Is it nice? So I apply a little bit of hairspray and I just put it to shape. Thank you for helping me. And then when those little hairs are out the way, it is very mild to the scalp, but it does give him a very good hold because he likes his hair perfect, don't you?
Yes.
Yes, he does. He's got 3 older sisters, so he knows the importance of looking good. Now, for fine hair, once you've applied hairspray once, I wouldn't recommend you to apply again and try to comb, because you will find that the comb's going to get a little bit stuck. It's not fully dried. That's why you can still see a bit of shine. As soon as this hairspray is fully dry, the shine disappears. It gives you a really good hold, but with a very natural look. So there's not going to be the cardboard, the cartoon look. You do get a very, very good hair feel with it. And the best of it is that the following day, when you brush your hair, or the night time when you brush your hair does not have any white residue. So yes, I would highly recommend this hairspray. It's really top quality. Do you like it? Yes, he nods. He likes it. I like it. I hope this review has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching.